Dear friends, the topic for today is about WhatsApp disappearing messages. So let us go to the WhatsApp. So this is the WhatsApp. Now let us go to a particular WhatsApp. As a group admin, I will change the disappearing messages. Just go and click at the top. Come down. Then click disappearing messages. Then in disappearing messages, earlier 7 days was the default time. Now that has been changed to 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days or off. Okay, or you can try a default message timer and you can start your new chats with disappearing messages. So click it and you can start new chats with disappearing messages, either 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days or off. Okay, normally this previous version we had 7 days only, right? If I change it to 24 hours, you can just click it, then come back. Okay, and if you want this also, you can change message timer 24 hours. Okay, come back. So disappearing messages 24 hours. So when you come and check it, you turn down disappearing messages, all new messages will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they are sent. Okay, if you want, you can tap to change again. Okay, so this is the procedure. This is the new feature which has been introduced in WhatsApp, disappearing messages. Okay, so newly you can add up either 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days or off.